Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to avoid missing debt payment using Bright. Missing a payment can hurt your credit and lead to late fees, but Bright helps you to stay on top of it effortlessly. Now, once you connect to your credit cards and bank accounts, Bright is going to track all of your due dates and minimum payment amounts automatically. It then uses autopay to ensure that your minimums are paid on time every time, so that you never miss a payment even if you forgot. Bright also monitors your available cash and makes additional payments when you can afford it, helping to further reduce your debts. You will get helpful reminders and real-time updates so you can always know what's happening with your account. With Bright managing your payments, you can say goodbye to stress, late fees, and credit score dips for good. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.